Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Gemini air sign. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay guys, let's see your messages. Gemini air sign, your messages for the week. First card, Four of Swords, Knight of Wands and Empress. I think you may be in some healing state, Gemini. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Definitely one person is not talking to other person right now or in recent past, because Four of Swords is not talking to but thinking about the other person a lot, and this is also undergoing some healing process. And Knight of Wands with Empress, I think one person is stand by their power but another person is approaching towards other person and they are very very passionate. I think your person is coming back for you. Knight of Wands, they are very very passionate about you, Gemini. They are coming back, but I think you stand by your power, but you also undergoing some healing process. Yeah, you are thinking about your person a lot. So let's see what is going on your connection. Let's see some more messages. And your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some more. Four of Cups, yes. Ace of Swords and Seven of Wands. Yeah, they want to communicate your person, Ace of Swords, some communication, but you are not going to accept it because right now you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, or you are thinking about your person a lot, but you are not going to accept this offer because you want some time, and but your person is coming back. They don't want to give up on this connection, but one person is coming back for you and they're very very passionate about your person. And I think for some you are acting like defense also. You want to defend yourself from your person. So there are some issues going between you and your person, maybe if you are in separation. So let's see some more. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Okay, Four of Pentacles, yes. I think one person in this connection is stubborn right now. They don't want to accept and they don't want to offer anything right now. Yeah, waiting. But your person is coming back. I think you are in very slow moving energy, but your person, they are very very passionate about you. They are in fast moving energy, but you are in so slow moving energy. Four of Pentacles to Knight of Pentacles, your transformation is very slow. You are in very slow in energy wise. Definitely you are taking your time. You turn your back from your person, and this could be long distance relationship also, Gemini. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states, and yeah, you don't want to express your feelings. You are holding back your feelings because due to some past issues. I think you don't want to trust your person because nights always come and go in your life, in and out of your life. That's why you don't want to invest in this connection. That's why you are holding back your feelings. Yes, you are taking your time, Gemini, this time. Let's see some more. Our waiting game is going between both of you. You both are waiting for one another to come towards each other. Judgment. Hermit, yeah, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Two of Cups, yeah, you have emotions for your person. Definitely you love you love your person. And Judgment with Hermit, yes, some major decisions you will take, some decision in near future regarding this connection, regarding this relationship. And Hermit, definitely you are isolated from all and you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are not talking to your person right now. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely you love your person. There is no doubt. You have emotions and your person also loves you. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. And let's see about signs. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All energies are here. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first, then we will see their actions. See Six of Pentacles, first card. Your person current feelings. Temperance. Your person could be Sagittarius also. Eight of Swords. Yeah, I think they are thinking about you that you are stuck because you don't want to talk to your person right now. Yeah, they are thinking about you that you are stuck. For some, your person also stuck on you. They are literally thinking about you day and night. They are stuck on your energy. Temperance, definitely they are also waiting for their time to come towards you. There is no balance in this connection in past, but now your person want balance in this connection, and they want to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles is here. I think in past there is no equal give and take. Now your person want to offer this to you, and definitely they are waiting patiently to come towards you, and they are stuck on you. For some your person right now thinking about you are taking your time, and they want to give your some space to you for some. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Princess of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, wow, Ten of Pentacles. Definitely they want to work on this relationship this time very seriously. And Princess of Wands, definitely they want you send some messages, and I think one person in this connection may be younger than the other person, and one person is very good looking and beautiful. Eight of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship, and they want to put a progress in this relationship because Eight of Pentacles with Ten of Pentacles, definitely they really working hard. They really want to work hard in this relationship and to take this relationship to next level, because 8 to 10 Pentacles, definitely they want you back in their life if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level, because 8 to 10 stability, they want stability in this connection. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of earth energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, one card, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Eight of Swords, 2 times Eight of Swords. I think you both could be feeling stuck on each other energies. Six of Cups, reconciliation. Definitely your person want reconciliation with you. This is a strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. You both feeling this towards each other. And Two of Swords, I think one person is at some crossroads. They have to make decision. I think it's you, Gemini, because you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You have to make some decision, because judgment is also here. You have to make decision because your person is coming back. If you want to give another chance, or you don't want to give another chance, it's up to you. You have to make decision. And a Princess, Queen of Pentacles, definitely you are very giving and caring person in this connection in past, but now you don't talking to your person right now, but your person stuck on you. They want reconciliation. They are coming back. So it's decision time, Gemini. You have to make decision. And Eight of Swords with the Six of Cups, definitely your person stuck on you. They want reconciliation, and they want to share everything with you, Queen of Pentacles. These are mutual energies. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. Ten of Swords, strength, Page of Swords, and Six of Swords. Yeah, a lot of air energy, communication. You both will be communicate. And yeah, definitely you may be spying on them on social media, or your person may be spying on you. Strength, definitely you stand by your power. This time you overcome the pain if you are in separation. And you or your person could be Leo also. And Ten of Swords, yeah, some painful endings. Some cycles are going to be end, some cycles are going to be begin. For some, there will be chance for new beginnings between both of you, because Ten of Swords is rebirth also. Definitely there will be rebirth. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The World, Six of Cups, the Sun, wow, strength. Yeah, you both could be fire signs also, or one person could be Leo. The Sun, definitely they are seeing you very positively. And Six of Cups, they want reconciliation. I think for some your person is really changing for you. Definitely if there is no third party, there are some issues, only some small issues. Definitely your person really want you back. They don't act. And the World, definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states, because the World, some cycles, I think same cycles repeat again between both of you. so that is the issue also. And some cycles are going to be, and because in your persons there is in your overall energy there is 10 of swords here world. Some cycles are going to be end, for some there are new cycles are going to be begin. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.